Hey, it's Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're on the tile and grout cleaning. We did this area over here, which looks good. I just put the sealer down there. It's drying already. Have the staff turn the air on. 68 is where you want it because the humidity allows things to dry a lot faster, even with carpet. Now, what I'm using here, we sell this on this is our piece cleaner. What this does, this is emulsifying the dirt, okay? You can use it on all synthetic fibers, not viscose or wool. All right, so don't use it on that, all right? You can see there's an area that I did for the manager right here. See how it's light right there? All right, that's just what I did. And I didn't allow it to dwell. Dwelling means like let's sit, letting it work in, letting the chemical do its job. All right, you got people that come in here, they need a big truck mount and all this stuff. Well, no, you're gonna see our process that we're using here, using a simple duplex and a commercial shop vac, all right? So all I'm doing is sitting this, spraying this in here. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna get to it, and then I'll show you the next process and see how we get this grout cleaned here, and also the tile surface. Stay tuned. I didn't let it sit for 5 minutes, but you can just see. Look at that tile, and look at the grout. And that's the tile, look at that, see? It's great. See all that? Now we want from grout to grout. All right, and then what I would normally do is I'll take my microfiber rag for the finishing touch, and you're just wiping out the solution. Now look at that. Great, right? Looks amazing. All right, now, you're like, oh, it's a little dark. Those are just the imperfections when they lay down the grout. It's a lot of dirt build up, corrosion, okay? Stuff going away. That's what you see, the imperfections of the, whoever put it down. But in person, you can't see this at all. It looks completely gray. And it's also to the camera too. So the camera picks up a lot more detail than what the natural eye can too. So just stay tuned. And so what we're doing now is we're just scrubbing with the CRB. Look at the difference here in the tile. To the right, to the left. Oh my goodness. Whew. I do, look at this over here. And so that's what we're doing. We're scrubbing it with the CRB, getting it all up, and then just coming across with it with the top right. All right. So now I'm ready to spray down the solution, like we showed you in the other area. I'm gonna do this section here, so everyone can route by. We're gonna hurry up and get this done, and then we're gonna, after that, we're going to follow up and extract it out of the floor, and everything will look good. All right. I was like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.